Now we will learn how to find LCM of two numbers. Here you see an example. Find the LCM of 198 and 90. First of all, what should I do? I will factorize 198 and 90 in their prime factors. 198, if we divide by 2, we get 99. If we divide it by 3, we get 33. If we divide it by 3 again, we get 11. So we can write 198 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Then 90, we will factorize 90. If we divide it by 2, we get 45. If we divide it by 3, we get 15. If we divide it by 3, we get 5. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We can write this as 2 into 3 square into 11. If we multiply 2 threes, we get a 3 square. We can write here this 2 into 3 square into 5. Then the LCM is LCM equal to, here is a 2, here is a 2. We will take the maximum. So 1, 2 in each case. So we will take 1, 2. Here we see 2 threes, here we see 2 threes, 3 square into. Here 1, 11, no 11, 11 multiplied by, here is a 5, we will take the 5. So this is the LCM and this is 2 into 9 into 11 into 5. We get the answer 990. Now if I ask you that, find the HCF of 198 and 90. How can you do that? When we are going to find out the HCF, we will take only the common parts. Here is a 2, here is a 2. So we will write 2 into, here is a 3 square, here is a 3 square, we will write 3 square. Here we can see a 11, but there is no 11, so we won't take 11. Here is a 5 and there is no 5 here, so we won't take 5. So we will take only 2 into 3 square. So the HCF is 18. This is our answer. To have a more perfect realization or more perfect understanding, we will discuss another example on LCM and HCF. Now see our second example. Find the LCM of 504 and 30 and find the HCF of 504 and 30. How can we do that? At first of all, we must factorize them up to their prime factor. How can we do that? 504, if we divide this by 2, we get 252. If we divide it by 2 again, we get 126. If we divide it by 2 again, we get 63. If we divide it by 3, 21. If we divide again by 3, we get a 7. So we can write 504 equal to 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube into 3 square into 7. And what about 30? If we divide 30 by 2, we get a 15. If we divide it by 3, we get a 5. So we can write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. So what about LCM equals to, we can write the LCM as, here we see 3 2's, 2 cube, and here only 1 2. While finding the LCM, we will take the largest power, 2 cube. Here we can see a single 3 and here we can see a 3 square. Which have more power? These have more power. Here power 1, here power of 3 is 2. So we will take 3 square into. Here we can see a 7, here no 7. We will take this, and here we can see a 5. We can see no 5 here, but we will take this while calculating the LCM. So finally the LCM is 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 equals to 2520. This is the LCM of 504 and 30. The next question is find the HCF of 504 and 30. While finding the HCF, we will take the common parts. Here we can see 2 cube, here we can see a single 2. We will take the least power here. 2 cube, 2 to the power 1. That means we will take simply 2, only 1 2. Here we can see 3 square, here we can see 3 to the power 1, but only 1 3. So we will take only 1 3. Here is a 7, but here is no 7, so we won't take 7. Here is a 5, here is no 5, so we won't take any 5. So finally the HCF is 6, which is common to both of them. While you have calculated both LCM and HCF, let's think you are confused about your answer, whether my answer is right or wrong. Then how can I check this, if it's right or if it's wrong? We will take the multiplication of two numbers 504 and 30, and we will multiply the LCM and HCF. LCM is 2520 and HCF is 6. We will multiply these numbers and we will check whether they are equal or not. When we multiply 504 and 30, we get the answer 15,120. And when we multiply 2520 and 6, we get the answer 15120. And you can clearly see that we got the same answer for both product. So my answer are correct. This is our LCM and this is our HCF. So if we find the LCM and HCF of P and Q, the formula is multiplication of P and Q is equal to the product of LCM and HCF. Always remember that product of the numbers is equal to the product of LCM and HCF.